Breaking news. Are you guys sick of being in debt and underpaid? My name's Paul Gillespie and I help people open up their own digital marketing businesses so they can work from home with no traffic, guys. And you get paid daily. Back in late 2023, I ran into some real financial trouble. My wife had to go out and get 2 jobs and I had to take over my own business, which I had employees working. A real tough time. I had to go to my parents and beg them for money just so I didn't lose my house. I didn't like who I seen in the mirror. I thought I'd be further along at my 51 years young age. But then May 8th, I seen a live and it said I can make $10,000 in 30 days. Guys, I stopped that scroll. I paid attention and I got involved in digital marketing on May 8th. Since then, guys, I have made just under $43,000 in 75 days. Life has totally changed, and I'm telling you, I'm watching other people's lives change. So guys, if you want to change in life, you want to do something new, just type yes in the comments and I will gladly share the blueprint with you. Know your value.